Good morning, dear students. Today, once again, I present here to proceed your classes, students. Students, as you know that in this period, I started your first exercise, first chapter, and two exercise 1A and 1B. I think you have already completed. Students, now proceed to know some word problem. How will you solve? And students, in this video, I will solve your exercise 1C of RSL workbook. Some questions. That means students 1 to 15 questions I will clear here in this video. So students, carefully watch this video and complete your homework and send me your homework and on my personal number. So let's now start.
Students, it's exercise 1C, and students, here question number first. The number of person who visited the holy shrine Mata Vaishno Devi during last 2 consecutive years, here and here respectively. How many persons visited the shrine during these 2 years? Students, here that means in 2 years, how many total persons visited the shrine Vaishno Devi Mandir? So students, here you have to add this number and this number and you will get your answer of this question. Now students, proceed in next question. Question number 2. Last year, the 3 sugar factories in a town produces something here, na kg and kg, some kg, some bags and some bags of sugar respectively. How many bags were produced by all the 3 factories during this year? Students, here easily you add for finding the number of bags in 3 years by factories. Add first of all this number and this number. Clear students? And I think you will complete these questions. Now students, proceed in question number 3. Here in question number 3, a number exceeds this number exceeds by this. What is the number? That number is exceed, that means more than this number, by this. That means here students, here you have to add this number and this number. Clear students? Here you have to add both of these numbers. Clear students? Now proceed in question number 4. Here in question number 4, students observe. Here in question number 4, there were 3 candidates in an election. They received votes, some votes and here some votes respectively. The number of invalid vote were itna, and here if something person, here these persons did not vote, find how many votes were registered. Here you have to find the registered, that means in voter list how many registered vote. Here these vote are polled for first, this vote for and second, and this vote for third. There 3 candidates and these votes are invalid, and here these numbers of person does not vote. So total number of votes registered in the list is, add, here you have to add this number and this number. Clear students? Now proceed in question number 5. Students, in question number 5, observe. A survey conducted on an Indian state show that something person have only primary education, this, this number per person people have secondary education, and here this number this number people have higher education, and this number people are literate. If the number of children below the age of school admission, with now find the total population of the state. Here you have to find the total population of the state. Here you have to add all of the number of people. Here these 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 and this. Hello friends, clear? Now proceed in question number 8. Here in question number 8, students, in a particular year company produce something bicycle, this number of bicycle. The next year, here the next year the number of bicycle produced was this. Here more than those produced in preceding year. Here students, question again repeat. In a particular year company produced this number of bicycles. Next year the number of bicycle produced was this number, more than those produced in preceding year. Here students, total number of bicycle is produced in both 2 years. Here you have to add these numbers and this number. Clear students? Now I had 2 questions. How many bicycles were produced during these 2 years? For these 2 years, here first of all find here in first year, and here it's in second year. So students, in preceding here, next year, that means in second year number of bicycle is produced. Here add this and this. Here second year, and now students, for both year add first year, that means this number, and obtain this number in both of 2 years you have to add. Now students, proceed in question number, here next question number this 7 number question. The sale receipt of a company during a year was rupees this. Next year it increased by this. What was the total sale receipt of company during these 2 years? That means here in first year this number, that means, and in second year you have to add this number and this number. And here question is asked, the company during these 2 years, that means first 2095640 and plus, here you have to plus here 0759076, and students add, and the result is for second year, and finally students you have to add second years. Here add 0, here 5, here 0, here 6, here 6, here 6, here 7, here 2. This is the number for second year, students, here, and is second year number and this first year number, first year rupees. You add we will get final answer. Clear, students? Now proceed in question number 9. Here, by how much this number larger than this number? Here, students, you have to find this number is larger. How much larger? That means you have to subtract this number from this number. That means here we have to write 1 3 2 4 6 5 1 0, and you have to subtract 2 4 6 8 5 6 4, and students, you have to here subtract and you will get its answer. I think you will easily subtract this number. Now students, proceed in question number 10. By how much this number smaller than 1 crore? Here, students, first of all write 1 crore, that means 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros. Here, students, now in 1 crore you have to subtract this number. Here 9 7 8 3 4 6 5, and students, easily subtract this number from this and you will get your answer. Clear, students? Now proceed in question number 11. Here, students, this is the question number 11. What number must be subtracted from this number to get this number? Clear, students? Here you have to subtract this number. What number must be subtracted from this? That means, students, you have to subtract this second number. Clear? These numbers from this number. Clear, students? Here, that means you have to write here 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, and you have to subtract 7 9 5 3 6 2, and I think you will subtract easily and you will get answer of question number 11. Clear, students? Now proceed in question number 12. The sum of two numbers is this, and one of them is this. So, students, what is the another number? Find the second number. Here you have to subtract this number from this number. That means here you have to write 1 0 7 5 0 3 0 8, and you have to subtract here 9 1 5 7 6 9 and 8. Clear, friends? And I think you will subtract easily from this and this. Now proceed in question number 13. Here, students, in question number 13, a man had rupees something this with him. He spent rupees this on buying a school builds. How much money if left with him? Clear, students? You have to subtract this number from this number. Now proceed in question number 14. A society need rupees this to buy a property. It collect rupees this as members. Fee took a loan of rupees this from the bank and collected rupees this as donation. If much of this society still sort of here, so students, here you have to add all of these rupees. Clear, students? Now proceed in question number 15. Here in question number 15, observe, a man had rupees this with him. He gave rupees this to his wife. Here total number of rupees have it, they we will this, and he gave rupees this to his wife and rupees this to his son and rest of his daughter. Here rest of his daughter, how much money received by the daughter? Here students, first of all add these rupees, first of all add, and then subtract the sum of this from this. You will get the left, the money will get daughter. Once again I add these and these numbers, and students, then the sum of these numbers you have to subtract from this. Clear? I think you will complete up to question number 15. In next video I will complete question number 16 to last of this exercise. So students, this class is over. That's all. Thank you.